Okay, the question came up, how would what is the correct interpretation of a confidence level and interval in a multiple choice question, as well as the margin of error? So confidence level and confidence interval are two different things. I'm going to address both of them. Confidence interval says we are whatever percent confident that we've captured the population parameter, whatever it is, proportion or mean. All right. And what you're looking for is we are 95% confident that we captured the true population proportion. We're 95% confident that we captured the true population mean. All right. The word you're looking for is population. If it says something about the sample, it's wrong. Okay. That's just not it. The next thing, the confidence level. The confidence level means that we're proud of ourselves, and what we did, we believe works 95% of the time. So if we did this over in repeated sampling, we would expect to capture it 95% of the time. If they took the population of all samples, it will capture it 95%. So one is we expect to capture it 95% of the time. We should be, because we took 100 samples or 1,000 samples, we would expect to capture it 95% of the time. Or if we did it over and over again, we expect to capture it 95% of the time. But if they did it for the entire population, let me rephrase that. If they did it for all possible combinations, then we would capture it 95%. Margin of error tells you how far the distance within which you expect the parameter to be. So it's like, hey, my best estimate, your best estimate is always the center. So it's either going to be X bar or P hat. So my proportion is right in the center. My proportion happened to be 0.3. Well, my margin of error is plus or minus 1. That means I don't expect it to be lower than 0.2, and I don't expect it to be higher than 0.4. So the margin of error is how far we expect it to be from our best predictor. All right. So the margin of error is the plus or minus part. Part in front of that, the X bar or the mean, is our best predictor.